Hi, I'm CADEBOT. What you will see is a unique food delivery robot. Trust me, soon you will see me in a different light. Look, this is where I work. Use SLAM technology. Let me get to know this place better. Map got seamless integration into my brain with only one-time scan and sync with my friends using cars. Of course you can expect more. The built-in map editor allows you to change your layout whenever you want. 4 large capacity trays. Carry more dishes? No problem, I can fit them. Multi-table delivery makes my job quick and organized. Obstacles in the way? No worries. By UMesh traffic control system, delivery can be flexible and relaxing. When we meet in a narrow corner, we can handle ourselves well. CADEBOT can do more than you think. 270 degrees open tray design. Easily accessible from more angles. Oh, someone is coming. I've got to go. Centimeter level precise navigation. Easy passage over obstacles and narrow paths. Additional anti-obstacle wheel. Adapted to a variety of complex floor conditions. Steady movement with U-stable suspension. Hello, welcome. Dear customers, please come inside. Take a look at the magnificent 21-inch high-definition display. No problem with either memorizing menus or storing promos. Certainly, I know how to take care of myself. I will go to my charging station when my battery goes low. I can go back to work in just 4 hours of quick charging. I'm CADEBOT, your next generation commercial delivery robot. Innovative body design, vivid interaction, and more intelligence. Your excellent delivery robotic partner.